Alright, to convert quadratic function to vertex form, we need to first learn how to complete the square. So let's have a flashback. X squared plus 4x plus 4. So this will be our example, x squared plus 4x plus 5. So the next thing, put these two into parentheses, the first two terms into a parenthesis. Then we're going to complete the square. So second term, 4 over 2 squared. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2, yes. And then we're going to square that. Becomes 4. So x squared plus 4x plus 5. Plus 4, my bad. Plus 5. And then we're going to add the same number here, but it's negative. We're going to express this as square of a binomial. So square the first term and the third term. X, sign of the middle term, plus, and square root of 4. And then squared. 5 minus 4 is 1. And there's the answer. Alright, so now that we've relearned how to complete the square, it's time to teach you actually converting it. So here is our vertex form, y equals a x minus h squared plus k. And here is our standard form, y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So in this problem, we need to convert this, put this into standard form. So this is simple. We only have to move negative 41 to the other side. So it becomes y equals 4x squared minus 24x plus 41. So next thing we have to do, same process, put the first two terms into parentheses. Now normally we would complete the square, but since a isn't equal to 1, we have to factor it out. So what will happen is 4x squared. So, and this one becomes 6x. Alright, so now we can complete the square. So 6 over 2 is 3. And when we square 3, it becomes 2. 3 squared becomes 9. Or x squared minus 6x plus 9. So since there's something else here, a number here, let's remember to put the 9 here, negative 9. Since to make both sides equal, we not only have to distribute it here, okay? So to make it equal, we also have to distribute the 4 onto the other side. So negative 9 multiplied by 4. So let's convert it into square of a binomial. 4. So square root of the first term, x, sine of the middle term, negative, and then square root of 9, 3. And add the square here. So, in here, negative 9 multiplied by 4 is 36. 41 minus 36 is 5. So we add plus 5 here. And then that is our vertex form. But when you want to get the points, this is important. Oopsies. So what will happen? Remember that in vertex form, the h is negative. So when you plug in negative 3 into negative h, so let's try that. A negative multiplied by a negative becomes positive. So what will actually happen here is it becomes 3. The point h is 3. And with k, still the same. It's 5. That is our vertex points. Alright, so here's another example. Y is equal to negative 2, x squared plus 2x plus 6. So again, we need to convert that into standard form. So distribute negative 2. Distribute the negative 2. Y equals negative 2 x squared. Negative 4 x negative 12. Alright, so now that we've got our standard form, same process. Factor out the negative 2. So what will become of it is negative 2 x squared. And then the negative 4 will become, this term will become positive 2x minus 12. Alright, so now we can complete the square. So, let's confirm 2 divided by 2 is 1. Oops, 1. And then we square 1 becomes 2. Still is 1. Now we add that 2x squared plus 2x plus 1. Then we add that to the other side as well. 1. And then also 2. Same process. So, negative 2. Oops, hold on. This square root of the first term, sine of the middle term, and then square root of the, well, it's just 1. 1 times 1 is 1. And then the squared here. So, negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. So, negative 12 plus 3 is negative, oops, negative 10. Negative 10. So, negative 10. And remember, there's our vertex form. Remember that in getting our points, since again, plugging 1 into negative h, so 1 is obviously negative 1. And then this stays the same. There are our points. Our points are, our vertex is equal to negative 1, which is our h, and negative 10, which is our k.